guys, so today I'm here to do a video for 20 and 20, so 20 products that I want to use up in 2020, and this is a group collab, and so I collected some products that I wanted to do, and this is going to be a rolling project pan, and so whenever I finish something, I will put something new in, whether it's to actually finish it off or if I am just trying to pan it, depending on the product. So I have some what I feel easy products in here, and then I have some hard products. So the first thing I want to start with is the Tarte Shape Tape Double Duty Beauty Foundation, and this is in the color Fair Light Neutral. And honestly, I don't know how much is left in this. I think this might have maybe another 5 uses, maybe, if that. So I'd really like to finish that up so I can move on to something else. Another thing that I think will be an easy one is the Pores No More Pore Refiner. There's not really much left in there. It's like half gone. So this Dr. Brandt is the brand. I'm going to try to use this up. This is probably expired, but I would like to finish it before I get rid of it. This is another easy. This is Auraris Gold Elements Gold Eye and Neck Cream. This is basically a one-use product, so that will be pretty easy. I have tried to do a project pan before. Didn't go so well, so I kind of lost track of the products. So I know some of these are ones that I wanted to pan before. Another simple and quick pan is going to be this Clinique Moisture Surge. I barely have anything left in it, honestly. It'll probably be finished tonight or tomorrow. And I have another full size, or not a full size, but another one of these containers full that I'll be rotating in after that. This is another one I feel like is going to be super easy. It's the Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer. There's not really much left in there. I feel like I've used half of what was in there, and as you can tell, there's not really much product in there. So I feel like that's going to be an easy win. I tried to give myself some easy wins because that's probably what's going to help motivate me. Alright, so another one that I have here is Dior Pure Poison. And this is a Sephora little sprayer sample. Honestly, it's down to like here. So a couple uses and that'll be gone. And this is where we get to the hard items. This is barely used. I used this twice. This is the It Cosmetic Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream. And it's in, I don't know what color it is. It does not say. But it's this little tube I got in an Ipsy bag, or BoxyCharm, one of the two. Then one that has carried on from my previous pan is this NARS Orgasm Blush. As you can see, I've been working on this. Now, I'm actually probably going to scrape the top because it's gotten to the point where it looks like it's gotten hard pan, and I'm noticing that it's not even swatching very well. Like, you can't even see it on the skin. So I don't think I'm picking anything up anymore. Like, yeah, that's, you get it on my finger and then that's, it doesn't go anywhere after that. So I'm considering scraping that so that I can continue to use it. So that's 7 products in now. The next one is the Bahama Mama from the Balm. I got this a long time ago in an Ipsy bag. And it's super small, so I feel like I should be able to at least get pan on it if I consistently use it, which bronzer is one of those things I have to force myself to use. So we'll see. 2 products from Pure. We've got the Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel Off Mask and the 2-minute Polishing Peel. I want to use up both of these products. I kind of forgot that I had them. Some products that I don't want to use up but need to use up. That's going to be the Lorac eyeshadow primer. Mine is so old, the writing is gone. It's so abused. This is the Kat Von D ink liner. Honestly, this is a full size, and I'm wearing this today. I don't want this to dry out before I get a chance to use it, and I feel like that's kind of the path that I'm going on, is that it's just going to sit in my collection and end up drying out and getting thrown out without any use. So, we're not going to do that. I have the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner in a mini. I want to finish this up, and I don't feel like there's that many uses left. It's kind of not as vibrant as it used to be, and I have a little bit more problems getting fluid out of this sometimes, so I know that's gotta go. This is the NARS Concealer Light 2.5 Creme Brulee, and I honestly don't have much left, and I would like to finish this up. This is actually one of my first NARS products that I had gotten besides the free sample from the I think that was Sephora. So I want to use that up. The foundation stick will probably be rolled into this next. Alright, I guess my floor is shaking, so sorry if this bothers you. A product that I want to use because I don't want it to go bad on me is this Bite Glace lip crayon, and I actually wore this today, and that's all I have left, so maybe half of it. So I'm hoping to get rid of that soon. So on a day that I don't want a full color Lip, I picked out the Clinique Crayon Chubby Stick Color Balm. It's in B66 Mauvulus. I couldn't find the color originally. This is the Clinique Crayola collection, so I wanted to use that up. 3 more products to go. I want to pan this eyeshadow palette. This is the Hard Candy from 2 years ago for Christmas. I actually have a full video on this palette. I quite love it, and I don't know, I feel like it dupes a lot of palettes, honestly. This is the Rose Gold Eyeshadow Pro Palette. Now they do have a big one of these that has like 16 shades that also includes these, but I just feel like these are super pretty. The shimmers especially are my favorite for all over the lid, and it's got a nice consistency, so I'm hoping to at least hit pan on this shade here, which is the one I use a lot in my crease, which I used today. And then I'm trying to get more into these kind of makeup removers, especially because I have, you know, makeup erasers and stuff like that. I could use this stuff with that to double up on cleaning power, I feel. This is the Bifacial Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. I think this is Lancome. Yeah, it's Lancome. I got this from my aunt in a sample bag that she got. You just mix it up before using it, because if not, it separates. And finally, this is not what it looks like. This is the Do You setting spray, the watermelon one, in a decanted MAC bottle. And as you can see, it's mostly full. It's like right here. I actually just refilled this not too long ago, before I went on my trip. So I would like to use up what's in here, so I can decant the final bit of the bottle. And so that's going to be another like rolling product where I'm going to continuously use that same product. But I have been using this for I would say over 6 months, and I would like to use it up so that I can move on to something else, maybe like the Tarte setting spray that I got in my Ipsy, or several other things that I received recently. So that is my 20 in 20 rolling project pan. I hope you enjoyed this video here. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next video. Bye.